awardan natin sila as the most tender budget steak in the metro. Na kahit na well done ko siya dahil sa kaka-cellphone, girl, ang lambot niya pa din. Really speaks to their quality of steak. Kasi any steak, tapos budget pa, na effortlessly nakakat ng teeth mo, I'm impressed. Very popular steak chain sila sa Japan. And it's also here in Calle Bistro in Evercotesco. Tagal ko lang gustong matikman si Yapari Steak. And every time budget steak naman, wala akong masyadong expectations. I mean, look at their prices or anything, I have low expectations. Okay, so ito. Get the Yapari Steak or the top plate. If you really want a leaner cut na wala masyadong fat, go for the Kurubi Steak if you want a fattier cut. And dahil fattier, juicier, and beefier din siya. And there's a mix option din naman. Both cuts were pretty tender. And ang galing kasi naka-stone grill sila. And it keeps your steak still hot. In fairness, kahit ilang minuto na mainit pa rin siya. You can also choose your own steak condiments. Favorite ko dyan is the garlic sauce and the actual garlic. And a steak order already comes with rice and soup. And besties, may gyukatsu din sila dito. For its price, it's tender, it's tasty. Less siya with the mustard sauce. Tapos may kasama na rin siyang cabbage salad, sesame dressing, similar sa mga gyukatsu sa Japan. And we got gyozas din na very masarap yung filling of na manipis lang yung wrapper. Although I wanted a better sear lang. So far ko kayo tatanungin this will be my number 1 for budget steaks in Metro Manila. Quality tender cuts for its price. Sa mga taga Commonwealth or QC dyan, nasa Evercotesco lang sila. Enjoy!